Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us learn with
Abdullah
and Yusuf. Surah Al-Qadar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna anzalnahu fi lailatul qadr. Wa ma adraka ma lailatul qadr. Lailatul qadri khairum min alfi syahr. Tanazzalul malaikatu war-ruhu fiha bi'izni rabbihim min kulli amr. Salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر.
Subject. The night in which the Holy Quran descended has become very valuable and peace-giving night. Guess the value of the Holy Quran itself from the value of this night. First paragraph.
The night of Qadr is better than 1,000 months.
Second paragraph. The command of peace descend during this night. Al-Qadr power. Verily, we have sent this Quran down in the night of Al-Qadr decree. And what will make you know what the night of Al-Qadr is? The night of Al-Qadr is better than 1,000 months. Worshipping Allah in that night is better than worshipping Him 1,000 months. 83 years and 4 months. Therein descend the angel and the Ruh, Jibreel, Gabriel, by Allah's permission with all decrees. Peace. All that night there is peace and goodness from Allah to His believing slaves until the appearance of dawn.
Verily, we have sent this Quran down in the night of Al-Qadr. And what will make you know what the night of Al-Qadr is? The night of Al-Qadr is better than 1,000 months. Worshipping. Therein descend the angels and the Ruh, Jibreel, by Allah's permission with all the decrees. Peace. All that night there is peace and goodness until the appearance of dawn.
Name. Al-Qadr. Name taken from verse 1, where there is a mention of the word Qadr. Name applied to whole surah. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree. Name.
The night of power, the night of decree.
Chapter number
97.
Surah Qadr, total verses
50.
Surah Qadr.
5.
Surah Qadr, total words
30.
Total unique words without repetition
25.
Total letters
115.
Revelation period.
Meccan approximately 610 to 615 AD.
Main characters.
God, Quran, Night of Decree, Angel, Spirit.
Surah Qadr main topics.
Quran revealed in Night of Decree, which is better than 1,000 months.
1, 2, 3. God revealed Quran in the night of decree, which is better than 1,000 months. 1,000 months.
4 to 5. This night is absolute peace and angels descend on this night. This surah has 5 verses. It takes its name from verse 1. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree, where the word al-qadr, meaning decree, appears. This surah was revealed in Mecca, most probably during the early days of Muhammad's proclamation of his prophethood. There is a difference of opinion as some commentators of the Quran say that this surah was revealed in Medina. In the opinion of Ibn Abbas, Ibn Az-Zubayr, and Aisha, Prophet's wife, this surah was revealed in Mecca. The subject matter and the length of verses also showing that it resembles with that of Meccan surah.
The surah is famous for its information concerning the night of power, during which the Quran was first revealed. This is anonymous unanimously considered to have happened during a blessed night in the month of Ramadan, as stated in Quran. And Muslims believe that the night of decree comes every year during the last 10 nights of Ramadan, mostly believed to occur on one of the odd number of these last 10 nights.
Narrated from many others, Ibn Abbas, God sent the Quran down all at one time from the preserved tablet, Lawh Mahfuz, to the house of might, Baitul Izzah, which is in the heaven of this world. Then it came down in parts to the Prophet of God based upon the incidents that occurred over a period of 23 years. Then God amplified the status of the night of Al-Qadr, which he chose for the revelation of the mighty Quran by saying, وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ خَيْرٌ مِّنْ أَلْفِ شَهْرٍ.
إِنَّا أَنزَلْنَاهُ فِي لَيْلَةِ الْقَدْرِ.
We have sent down this Quran in the night of glory.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ.
And what do you know what the night of glory is?
لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ خَيْرٌ مِّنْ أَلْفِ شَهْرٍ.
The night of glory is better than 1,000 months. The commentators in general have understood this to mean that the good acts performed in this night are superior in value to the good acts of 1,000 months, in which Laylatul Qadr is not included. There is no doubt that this is in itself correct, and the Holy Prophet, upon whom be peace, has described great excellencies and virtues of the good acts and devotions of this night, according to a tradition related in Bukhari and Muslim, on the authority of Hazrat Abu Huraira. The Holy Prophet said, "The one who remains standing in worship in the state of belief and for the sake of rewards from Allah during Laylatul Qadr will have all his previous sins forgiven." And in Musnad Ahmad, there is a tradition from Hazrat Ubadah bin As-Samit saying that the Holy Prophet said, Laylatul Qadr is among the last 10 nights of Ramadan.
The one who stood up in worship in order to take advantage of their reward, Allah will forgive all his former and later sins. But the verse does not say to act righteously in Laylatul Qadr is better than acting righteously in 1,000 months. But it says Laylatul Qadr is better than 1,000 months. And 1,000 months also does not imply 83 years and 4 months exactly, but a very long period of time as 1,000 months. 1,000 denoted among the Arabs. Therefore, the verse means that in this one night a task was accomplished for the welfare of mankind, the like of which had not been accomplished even during an indefinitely long period of history. تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر.
The angels and the Spirit descend in it with every decree by the permission of their Lord. The Spirit Gabriel, peace be upon him, who has been mentioned separately from the angels in view of his unique eminence, honor, and merit. That is, they do not descend of their own accord, but by leave of their Lord, and every decree implies Amir Hakim, a wise decree, as described in Ad-Dukhan 5:50.
سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر.
That night is peace until the rising of dawn. That is, the entire night from evening till morning is peace, free from every evil and mischief.
Verily, we have sent this Quran down in the night of Al-Qadr. And what will make you know what the night of Al-Qadr is? The night of Al-Qadr is better than 1,000 months. Worshipping Allah is in that night better than worshipping Him 1,000 months. And 3 years and 4 months. Therein descend the angels and the Ruh. Gabriel, by Allah's permission with all the peace. Peace all that night. There is peace and goodness from Allah to His believers' slaves until the appearance of dawn. Simple subject.
The night in which the Holy Quran descended has become very valuable and peace-giving night. Guess the value of Holy Quran itself from the value of this night.
First paragraph. The night of Al-Qadr is better than 1,000 months. Second paragraph.
The commands of peace descend during this night.
So today
we have learned Surah Al-Qadr with Abdullah and Yusuf. Thank you.
وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.